Hello everyone, welcome to another quick bit video. In this one, I want to show you how to install the Bruin MCP inside your Claude Code. So I already have Claude installed within my terminal, and I want to go ahead and add our MCP. So Claude MCP add Bruin -- Bruin MCP. So as you can see, it went ahead and added the MCP for us. So essentially now Claude will have the context of Bruin, knows how to use the Bruin CLI, the different functions. It can query your data for you, it can run commands for you, and we can test that out now with an example. So I'm already inside a repo that has some pipelines, and I'm just going to start Claude, and let's go ahead and ask it a question. So in the Berlin weather pipeline, how many assets are there? So now it understands what a pipeline is, what Bruin assets are, so it can go ahead and take a look at our pipeline, and it came back with a list of our assets. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and ask it a question, or actually let's prompt it to run one of the assets for us. So do a full refresh of the staging assets. So now it understands how to actually use the Bruin CLI commands and what a full refresh means and how to actually execute that command. So let's see. And it's figuring it out. It's asking the Bruin MCP which command to use. And let's take a look and see. So it went ahead and ran the full refresh command, and it regenerated the asset for us. And now it's saying that now the data spans from 2009 to 2026. So now let's ask it a question to analyze the data for us. Which day was the coldest? So now this is testing to see if it understands which CLI command to actually use and be able to query the data for us. And there we go. So it figured out that it created a query, it figured out how to use the Bruin query command, and it gave us the results. I hope you learned something new, and I hope that you can use the Bruin MCP effectively. Thank you.